What is that used?
Beacon for nighttime was more important in the old days before they had GPS.
So the airplane could find the airport.
You could see the airport. You had quite a ways out.
Okay.
Kind of like a lighthouse on the coast.
Excuse me, Art, you gonna start off here then? I'll take that second hanger then.
Whatever you want to do. I was heading that way anyways.
Oh, wait.
I just turned it on and they got it.
Oh yeah, okay, so where do you want to start?
I'll go the other way.
Okay.
Then you won't have to pass through.
Okay, follow Art, Salmon.
Right, brothers. 12 seconds. I'm not. I turned the camera. I'm putting this on my YouTube channel and I'm also keeping it. So. Oh my gosh! You need something to
Hey guys, we're gonna go to the next building. We'll spend some more time in here.
I just like caviar. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Do they have helicopters? I don't think so. What? Oh, so many. How much do you want for these? Russian. Russia! Russia!
They're the first Americans to fly, and probably the first guys in the world who have flown an airplane.
Let's go. Let's get on. Professional photo shooters.
I'll be live. This is space.
Alright, this you're looking at, this used to be an enemy airplane here.
Russia, Russia.
This one is actually a Shenzhen J5. It was built in China in 1958.
Told you. Where's no?
It's a copy of a MiG-17 of the Russian variety, but the Russians licensed the Chinese, the Polish people, and the Czechoslovakians to build these planes for their plans and whatnot. So the Chinese didn't all of a sudden become airplane builders. They had built them way back. A lot of people thought they were primitive or whatever they weren't. These were used a lot in the Vietnam War. These were one of the most feared airplanes that they had. They still had cannons on the bottom. You see them there.
Oh, that's cool.
The guy who had that, and he used to have an air show up at Aurora Airport. His name was Bill Reisman, and he had this in his little air show, and he used to have smoke generators on the wings of it. But he caught on fire when he was practicing at the Aurora Airport, and he was able to land it. They put the fire out. The volunteer fire department just happened to be there. They're there twice a year or something. They're all practicing. So they lucked out and put the fire out. But they ruined the airplane. He bought another one. He also had a Lear 24 that he raffled rides in that airplane. So it was pretty hard to make a buck. They can go and look at it.
Yeah, but when you're talking, they want to be listening, okay?
Anyway, so that's Reisman who had the plane. It was his favorite plane to fly, even though he flew F-100s in Vietnam and all kinds of other planes. He said this flew really quite well. It flew real nice and it was semi-fast. But as far as Vietnam went, it had cannons on it. We went there, and if the U.S. plane decided to have a dogfight or something, it's pretty hard to dogfight. They had cannons. A lot of the new U.S. planes had missiles on them, and theory in our planes, you would shoot these guys down before they could see you. But that was a dumb theory. Careful airplanes, and we didn't know what they were, so you got too close to these guys. And missiles didn't work very good if you got real close. So. a piece of history, and that's a interesting thing. The engine we have inside, the engine is a copy of a Rolls-Royce Wien, which the Russians copied from some planes that they bought from the English before the Cold War got going good, and copied them. Do you have any questions on it? There must be, looking at that beast, there must be something.
Can we see like the cockpit? Or...
Yeah, you can look in the cockpit. That's
Oh.
okay looking there. There's not much in there anymore, so
We heard that we could touch it.
take turns on the ladder there and take a quick shot of it.
So what's it there? Why? No, wait.
Middle.
Yeah. What's in here?
The engine we have inside was behind the pilot, even behind the wing.
Oh my gosh, it's like. Just take a picture, Nico.
I'm just gonna look at
Hey, just ask him if he wants a free weed cleanup. Let's get on it. I heard that. Okay, I heard that. Oh, look at that. Look at that useless phone.
I can't get in trouble for farting. We're not actually in class.
I had 18 updates and it was horrible. It's like update, and I still have some.
When is the last time you updated?
2 years ago.
When was the last time you used it?
Every day. No, 2 hours ago. Stop trying to cut. I see what you're trying to do. Look at it. Gabe, you were up there for a very long time.
You gotta get one sign.
Jeremy, don't get lost.
Hey, Jeremy, hit back.
Oh my gosh, it looks super. It's so rusty inside.
Well, it's been here for probably hundreds of years. Why is there holes in this?
I don't know. Probably because it got shot down.
Probably blew up.
No, the paint would be gone then.
No, just on the side. The other side was out.
We can go in the back.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look at this.
Oh, come look over here.
Oh, frick.
This is where all the damage is.
Yeah, there's a lot of damage. Now you can really get a close up of that.
That is nasty. I'm putting this on my YouTube channel.
Dude, same.
You don't have YouTube.
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, you do.
Yeah, he does.
I have 24 subscribers, so I'm going up all the
Wait,
way.
find me. I have over 200.
Oh, okay.
Hey, wanna get some wanna get a tetanus shot? Touch that.
Want to get some Krusty Krab because this is what it's made out of.
Mina wants some rusty spoon. Sorry.
Do not look through.
Sorry.
Okay.
Mackay.
What am I doing, Alexandria?
She's being Alexandria.
I just did this.
Can we go in?
Not yet.
What's over here? Look at all these. Look at all this interesting stuff over here. Look. This is so interesting, guys. Look.
Oh my gosh.
It's a
You
car.
think it will take away? Take off? Fly away?
Take away. Take away.
What year would this be? 1958. It was
1950.
60 years old.
Edison Glen Gallery. Edison Glen.
Hey.
We're not playing tag, Jeremy.
Oh, he's sweet to that. Keep it on that smile there real quick.
What is it like?
I see that big smile.
It's rusty. That's how it's like.
Plunger.
Leave stuff alone. Did he say you can touch that?
The plunger.
Oh my god.
I'm not going into this so badly. I'm not going in.
Oh my gosh.
The plunger.
You guys all ready to go in and look at it?
What?
Yes, let's go. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. The goose. Spruce goose, guys.
Walk up to get in the airplane.
Spruce goose.
They had the new modern.
Oh my gosh. Look at these engines. Makai, stop running. Oh, look at this bullet though. I think that's a bullet.
That's the
I'm not sure.
air pressure. That's the air pressure.
Is that a freaking hive? Is that a hive? I'm just kidding.
It's a beehive.
No, it's not. It's
He has stuff to tell you.
Makai.
Oscar.
Tell you what these things are, you probably came here to learn, right?
We'll have an opportunity to move around.
Ryan, get over here.
Get over here,
I'll
Ryan.
give you an overview of what everything is, and you kind of spread out and kind of study it as,
Just listen to him, guys.
as what we have here.
So put your cameras down and listen. Look and listen right now. You'll get a chance to do your